Hey guys! So we are here getting ready for 9-week Control Freak, and we wanted to show how to set up your door so that you can do the track on your door. You can do it on a wall or you can do it on a door, and so we just wanted to give you some tips. My husband Patrick is here and he's going to demonstrate how to set it up. I would say one thing is with your door, you want to make sure that it's shutting. So you're going this way on the door instead of the other way. So you don't want the door to be opening, you want the door to be shutting so that you're pulling with the resistance of the door. Okay, go ahead.
All right, so you're gonna have two straps that come with the kit. So you got your longer one and your shorter one. So this shorter one is gonna be the resistance part where the resistance band is gonna go through. So the longer one is going to have these two parts that stick out. It's going to go in between both sides of the door. So it's sticking out on the outside. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep it sticking out on the outside and just carry the strap all the way down until you get to the end. And then you want to slide this piece in. You're gonna have to squeeze it, and then you can slide it in. Okay, so then you just bring it up about that. Doesn't matter, but you can take it in a bit. So now you want to leave that there, and then keep going and get in the end again. And then now you're gonna want to attach it to the other side of the strap, and go back to the outside part, and then make sure it loops like that, and then bring it in some. So now we can open up the door. Put these two parts on either side of the door. Bring this down. Give it some more. I need to give it more slack. And then tighten it up on the other side where I'm at.
So tighten it up behind the door, not in front of it. And you see how this can go up and down, so that's nice that you can have it different heights. But make sure that is at the top. So I don't know if you can see that. At the top, we'll show you at the top of the, let's see if we show them it.
Oh yeah, this just goes on either side of the door.
So there's a little
two nubs. Yeah.
Two nubs at the top on each side.
And then you squeeze this. Now you can go up and down. You just want to make sure that this part's sticking in so it doesn't injure your door. Okay, it's pretty simple.
Awesome, thanks Patrick. So I also wanted to show you. So when you get your kit in the mail, you're also going to have a ball and these bands. So it's really easy to do these bands. I was going to show you how to put the handles on. So I put these handles on already, but it comes with the tubing and the handles. And so you take the handle like this, and you're going to put this top part in the handle. So you don't want it facing down. You don't want it facing down like this. You want it facing up, and you just stick it in the handle and make it secure. So once you have one handle, then you can do the other handle like this. Pretty easy. So there you go. So you have two bands that you can use, and then you can stick them in here, and then you have, so make sure your door is shut when you're using this, and then you're going to use this for your exercises in the 9-week Control Freak. Okay. Also, you have your workout calendar, which is great because I used to go to the gym wasn't sure what to do, you know, which order to do. So you have this workout calendar and it's erasable. So it's like a dry erase and you could just stick it on your wall next to it. And then the ball right here. So this was super easy. It comes with this straw. So you have your ball. This is for the workout too. And you can take this piece out. So there you go. And then just stick the straw in the ball and blow. And stick this back in. Okay, well you have to do it faster, but there's your ball, there's your track, there's your bands, and your calendar. So you're all set to go, and look below this video if you want to join in on our group. You're welcome to join anytime. We're kicking it off January 4th, but you're welcome to join anytime. We'd love to have you there. Hope this video was helpful. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon.